Hey guys, it's Kieran. Today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be my final review for my very first hair vendor that I've been trying out for my upcoming I guess hair launch, wig brand launch, whatever you want to call it. My business is called Cute by K LLC, or just Cute by K. So I've been testing out different vendors and whatnot for it. I made an unboxing video for this vendor, showing just how the hair looks straight out the packaging and all of that. And I also made an initial video where I showed you guys what the hair looked like after I bleached it, and I showed you guys like how it looked up close, the bundles versus the closure, because I did buy bundles and a closure to test out. And I also did tell you guys like some pros and cons of the hair. Yeah, so cons of the hair, of course, is that the hair did not bleach like it was supposed to. The vendor did state that it would be able to bleach to a color 27, and the closure seemed to have bleached and gotten to a 27, but not the bundles. And I did have to bleach the bundles quite a few times, and I was very upset with that. If you guys remember from that second video, I bleached the bundles 4 times and I bleached the closure twice. I don't know, even after 4 times of me bleaching it, it still was not a 27 in my opinion. It was about a 30, I guess, or close to a 30, but definitely not a 27. The closure did, after 2 times of me bleaching it, did bleach to a 27 kind of color, so that was great. But the bundles, yeah, I should not have had to bleach the hair that many times and still not get what the heck I wanted. So I kind of felt a little deceived with that. I did end up making the bundles and the closure into a wig. This was my very first time making a wig using a sewing machine. This is the sewing machine I have behind me. It's a Singer heavy duty. I'm not sure the exact number. I'll leave the link down below. I got it off of Amazon for about $200. But actually the day I got it, it was like $16 off, so got it for $184 plus tax and all of that, so that was a good little steal. So yeah, with this hair, this was my first time ever making anything basically on a sewing machine, and this is how the inside of the wig looks. It looks a hot mess, but yeah, this is like without me watching any videos really or taking a class. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's horrible. The wig is horrible. The thread got bunched up a whole lot when I was sewing it. Basically every freaking track. The best track was the first one, and then after that everything just went downhill. But the construction of the wig has nothing to do with the hair quality. I just wanted to show you guys that the wig I have on currently in my head right now, this is my 3rd wig I made using the sewing machine. This wig was the first one. Then I have another curly one that's about this color as well, and then this one is definitely my best. I'm definitely getting better as I go on with making my wigs. But back to the hair. So again, this is my final review for this vendor. If I wanted like a brighter color to like put over a 27, I most likely would not use this vendor. But if I wanted like a darker color, like this red burgundy-ish color, then I could use the vendor. But then again, bleaching hair 4 times is kind of a lot. But even with me bleaching the hair 4 times, the hair is still great quality. To me, it has a lot of body and a lot of flow. This is body wave hair again. The closure is a 4x4 transparent closure. I didn't add any like color or lace tint. This is just how it looks. The knots are bleached, of course, because I bleached every single strand on the closure in the bundles. I would give this hair, as far as quality, I'll probably give it like a 10 out of 10, because even after me putting it through all of this, bleaching 4 times. Even the vendor said that. They said, you know, if the hair is bad quality, you know, it would not have survived the 4 bleachings. And of course, you know, I know that of course as well. I've bleached hair a million times. So for the hair to withstand all of these bleachings is great. The closure, I only bleached it twice and it's still great quality as well. But the process just to get this color, to me this is not that bright of a color. The fact that I had to bleach it 4 times, I'm gonna give that like a 5 out of 10 honestly, because that was not a great experience. Bleaching hair, you have to let it sit like for about an hour with bundles, of course not your real hair. So that's about 4 hours in total. And I honestly let mine sit a little bit longer than 4 hours. Just if I see that the hair is not really bleaching that light and as fast as I want it to. So yeah, the experience with me bleaching it and dyeing it on and all of that, I'll give it like a 5 out of 10. But the hair quality, I would give it like a 10 out of 10. I do still feel a little deceived because the hair did not bleach how it was supposed to. And I'm not sure if I said in my first video or my second video or any video, but I did buy this vendor off of someone, and I did message her asking her if she ever bleached the hair. She didn't really give me a good enough response, so I don't know. But I always ask each vendor, I always ask them like certain questions. I'll probably make that into a whole video in itself, like questions to ask your vendor before you like purchase from them. One of the questions I ask is, does the hair bleach to a 27? I've seen some people wanting their bundles, their natural colored black bundles, to be bleached to a 613. I don't really care if it bleaches to a 613. A color 27 is good enough for me, but again, everyone has their own preference with their hair business and whatnot, their bundles. So me, a 27 is perfectly fine. This little stripe right here, I would say this is about a 27. So and yeah, the bundles did not bleach to even this color, and this was bleached twice. I'm gonna come a little closer. This is like a 27. But yeah, another thing about this hair, I think this was like their lowest grade hair. They have like raw hair, and they have like another like type of hair. Not sure what that's called, but I may or may not try it out. But right now I will be using this vendor for like my straight and body wave textures, mainly if I'm not gonna like dye the hair, just so I'm not having to put myself through that hassle. I'm gonna try to find a different vendor that the hair will like bleach well, like within about 1 or 2 bleachings, and I'm not having to spend all this extra money on bleaching developer, just wasting it basically. So yeah, I will be going with this vendor just for those like straight and body wave hair. I have not tried it out for curly. For this vendor this is a different vendor. For now I think I'll go with them for the curly hair, but I don't know, I'll be making a review video on this soon in about a week or 2, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna be bringing like more entrepreneur videos to my channel for my brand Q.K. And I thought the other day, I'm thinking about having like another business, but I want to get like Q.K. like started and launched before I like dive into something else. So yeah, tell me guys what you think about this wig, this first vendor. Like, I mean, the wig is nice, it's nice quality, but 4 bleachings is just ridiculous in my opinion. But I am glad that it did withstand the 4 bleachings, because this hair was a little bit pricey, on the pricier side than what I'm used to. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this like third final video from my first vendor, and I'll definitely be bringing you guys more vendor series videos. And yeah, bye guys.